can be a nasty place. You know it, I know it, yeah. We don't have to fall from grace. Put down the weapons you fight.
This is the vegan pepperoni pizza. So these are, and it's jalapeno, caramelized onions, mushrooms, and the meatless pepperoni. And these are the southern fried nuggets. These are also meatless. And so I'm gonna try these today, so I'm really excited.
Every day a small piece of
The southern fried chicken nugget at Pizza Hut. With ketchup sauce. It's good. I'll try it without ketchup. So this is the pepperoni meatless pizza. Gluten-free crust. Really good. Okay, so this is my husband. He's about to try one of the meatless chicken nuggets here. You want ketchup or you want to just eat?
Yeah, I'm gonna just chug it.
He's a regular, you know.
It looks a bit
meat
scary
guy.
though.
What does it taste like texture-wise? It feels like a regular nugget. Okay, what's the verdict?
I don't normally even eat chicken nugget, but this is legit. It's actually good. It tastes like chicken nugget. Like something Levi should be eating.
Yeah. Bye. There you have it from a meat eater that this is legit nuggets. All right, my husband's gonna try now. Pepperoni with Viola cheese, which is dairy-free, and meatless pepperoni.
Let's see what time it is. Yeah. Lord, help us. This is good, man. Pizza Hut is doing it.
UK. How many
That's
stars?
legit.
1 out of 5. 5 being the best, 1 being the worst. Wow. Man, you guys, my husband just gave Pizza Hut pepperoni pizza and nuggets, meatless nuggets, 5 stars. That's crazy. UK, you guys are doing it now. I hope the United States can implement these things. I'm not sure if they have so far. I have not heard of this so far in the States, but I'm excited.
kill 'em with kindness. Kill 'em with kindness. Kill 'em, kill 'em, kill 'em with kindness.
Oh my god. These nuggets though, that's legit. I'm not even lying, y'all. Something really good for your kids, they won't even know.
We're running out of time, chasing our lies. Every day a small piece of you dies. Always somebody you're willing
So
to
good.
fight. To be right.
Pizza Hut, you killed it. Gluten-free crust, dairy-free cheese, meatless pepperoni, meatless nuggets? That's insane. Oh yeah, coming back. If you're in the UK area and you want to feel like you're like eating regular pizza night, whatever, trust me on this one. Go to the UK, Pizza Hut. They have a whole menu just for you, even a gluten-free menu, and they have a vegan menu and then a regular menu. Next level.